All right, we're back with another episode. Finally, we had a couple delays. We had to rebuild the entire steering rack, strip the whole thing down, put all new seals and bearings and stuff in it. So got that back in with the new bushings, got the lines made up, finished a few more things, got the motor mounts in, the new expansion valve, and we're gonna try to get that motor in. All right, so the motor is in, bolted up. The mounts worked. We had to slot a couple holes just to get a little bit more adjustment, but the tranny mount's in, motor mounts are in. So now what we got to do is try to mock up all the other systems, the cooling, the AC and whatnot. And it actually looks like we might clear the hood, so that's exciting. So now plenty of fabrication. We got to make some mounts for the radiator. We might be 3D printing some of those in a nice rubber, and then we're gonna go ahead and get on the wiring. See you next time.